Hey, I'm gonna call you right back. I'm a little late for my Halloween party, okay? Alright, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been posting any video in the longest time because I have been working on many other projects, including this one. And for those of you who follow my Instagram knows that I'm building a electric go-kart Lamborghini for my daughter. Anyway, so some of you have seen videos and photos on Facebook, Twitter, on what you're looking at right now. And before I show you the reaction footages, let me first tell you why I came up with this idea and how I made it. So I've always wanted to dress up the car for Halloween, and obviously I'm not gonna be dressing up, so I like the idea of people putting like chopped up hands, bloody hands sticking out from the trunk, and other decoration they have for their car. So I figured for Halloween, since it's more forgiving for what I'm doing, and since it's an electric car, I figure why not dress up my car as a gasoline car. I have no hate for gasoline cars. I still have my Toyota MR2. I still have my wife's Toyota Sienna. So I love all EVs. I still like the gasoline car. I have respect for all gasoline cars. So I'm only doing this because I think for Halloween it's just for fun, right? So I had this idea. I wasn't sure I was gonna be able to pull it off, but one night I was just looking up how a gasoline pump looks like, and I found a bunch of photos, and right away I fired up Fusion 360 3D modeling software and just modeled the whole thing in 3D, and using 3D print I print out the design. And then sure enough, I came up with something like this. So what it is just this entire portion is 3D printed. This connector is just a Tesla connector. I don't even know what it's called. I didn't model this piece. This is from Thingiverse. And then the silver part all the way to here is all 3D printed. And the hose is obviously just a regular garden hose. And since this is just a dummy, connector, when I plug it into the car, it doesn't sense that the car is charging, so I don't have issue driving with it. However, the lid would try to close on the connector, but then it still allows me to drive, and it sort of helps keep the connector in place too. It's not like I drive on the road at high speed with it, but I only drive around like parking lots and stuff where pedestrian will see it, to get their reaction. So that's how I made it, and that's how the idea came from. I drive at the gas station just because I figure I have to. I can't have this setup without going to the gas station. And also BC places like Costco, Target. The funniest and the best reaction comes from the Tesla crowd, who obviously know this is not real. This is just, I'm just being an idiot, trolling. So I went to the Tesla factory, and also I attended 2 events over the weekend, Tesla events. So enough of me talking. Let me show you some of the footages. Enjoy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I thought, man, you know what would have been really cool if you would have actually had a real.
Okay. One more. We're good. I blurred out the big faces.
Your home smell, bro. Your home smell.
Hello, sir. It looks like you have a gas trigger sticking out of your car. Oh, okay, cool. I was like, nice. I just got pranked. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Did you, or is that, okay. You got me.
Love it.
Thank you. That is pretty.
Make way for the car coming through.
So if you make it this far, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed what I did, and hopefully you don't hate me for doing something so stupid. Again, this is for Halloween, so it's more forgiving. Once again, I like all cars. I like all EVs, all gasoline cars. We're no better than other cars. So, and also if you're new to the channel, I do a lot of DIY, how to, chrome delete, suspension setup, and all that stuff. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about what I did. Hopefully you don't hate me for what I did. But yeah, that's all I have for this video, and I hope you hang around on my channel for more projects. I have already shot a couple upcoming video since I've owned it for a year and a half, all the upgrades and and then I also have a steering wheel wrap project that I film. It's more like a mini movie. It's not really a how-to, but I hope you guys enjoy that as well. So see you guys next time. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I am working on a home charger version of the pump. I'm working with finalizing the design and working with manufacturer to produce the final product. It won't be 3D printed, so if you haven't followed my Instagram, it's PEEKAYStudio. Follow my Instagram and I will be announcing the product. If it ever gets produced, I'll post on my Instagram, and so if you're interested, you could buy it and support the channel, or just for yourself. It's fun decoration. In case you missed pumping gas, you can still feel like you're doing the same thing while you're charging your car at home. For those of you who knows me, knows I do stupid stuff like that, so welcome to the channel.